Okay, it is Friday, October 7th, 2022. This is coming along. It won't be very much longer before the inside the mat sections are all done. Then I'll be deciding what I'll be doing in and around the mat. So I'm almost leaning towards leaving it white, although I had originally planned to have it filled with allegorical sea monsters and insects too. So this last one is waiting to be done. It's in a pencil outline. This is new. This is now all completed. This is done. This is new. These others are previously completed. That little one's new, and that's completed. All right, there you have it, to be continued. What do you think, guys, gals, boys? I heard a chirp over there. I'm taking that as a positive feedback, yeah?